Oh, why is the hood of the truck open?
Battery's dead. We gotta change
Aw.
one of these batteries out. But hey, look what I was given. These are a set of stubby wrenches. Now there's 5 wrenches in here. We're gonna get out the one that everybody loses, the 10 millimeter. And as you can see, they're really small and
Oh,
compact.
they're kind of cute.
Yes, but they're really kind of functional because look, you can turn it like this. You could work it like this. And there's 2 of them on each one. So you actually get 10 different. Now this one goes from 8 millimeter to 19 millimeter. And it has a 5 degree that all you have to turn to click this. So that is really, really cool. So all I have to do is put it up here like so. And I can take it and loosen up what I am working on.
I guess that would be really good in little small areas.
Oh, great in small areas. But look, I can just take it just like this all the way around. So if you need some stubby wrenches for your arsenal, get you some of these.